Welcome to Raza Learning Hub. Student, in this video we can find the value of this expression, which is 6 divided by 3 1/2. Okay, it is very difficult problem for new student. Okay, if you have new in my channel, then comment and subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, so we can solve in this video these fractions step by step. Okay, so fully concentrate it on this video. I will solve these questions step by step. So 6 divided by 3 1/2. Firstly, we can solve these mixed fraction to improper fraction. So 6 divided by 3 2s are 6 and 6 plus 1, which is equal to 7. So 7 divided by 2. It is very simple step. Now according to KCF, where K stands for keep, C stands for change and F stands for flip, we can solve this question as. So 6 multiplied by 2 divided by 7. Okay, so 6 times 2, which is equal to 12. I can write, student, here is 12 divided by 7. Now if you again simplify this form, then the final answer is mixed form, which is 1 5 divided by 7. This is the final answer of this expression. Student, if anywhere you can face an issue, then comment. I will reply your question, and kindly subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.